Hello guys and welcome back. This is your host Fardeen Khan and you're watching another video on the Red Flag Studio channel. So last time हमारी बात हुई थी on the comeback video where basically मैंने आपको बताया कि किस तरीके से last 8 months से मैंने कोई update नहीं किया channel को. Despite that, I have now decided to start making those videos on a greater frequency, weekly or daily basis पे. But one thing that I want to inform you about is that the world of technologies is very vast. There are so many options and frameworks, technology stacks, and what kind of services you want to use, languages वगैरह वगैरह इतने सारे options और इसमें इतने सारे advantages and disadvantages थे कि इंसान confuse हो जाएगा, right? So out of all these options, even you as a beginner, intermediate or an expert level programmer are aware that you want to learn this particular type of technology, particular type of framework. Just show that interest to me in this campaign for Raise Your Voice Call for Ideas, where I have put a Google form link in the bottom section in the description. You can open it and just write down whatever technology, whatever field in programming that you want me to cover on this channel. Because see, I am learning, and as in the process is going on, I'm also posting videos on this channel so that I may deliver these experiences. But if the majority of the population is not interested in that, then it is a waste of time for both of us. So the simple solution is for me to connect with you and connect with my viewers and subscribers and get their ideas and thoughts into paper and then move on. सो बेसिकली आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं अपनी रिक्वायर्ड टेक्नोलॉजी, या फिर आप किसी भी टाइम पे इस गूगल फॉर्म को ओपन करके उसमें जो क्वेश्चंस है, सिंपल से क्वेश्चंस है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी और टॉपिक यू वांट टू हैव अ वीडियो ऑन इन दिस चैनल, एंड सेकंड आपको उसकी कौन से लेवल की वीडियोस चाहिए, बेसिक, इंटरमीडिएट और एक्सपर्ट, एंड फाइनली इफ़ यू वांट टू पुट एनी रिमार्क्स ऑन इट नॉट. So इतना मेरा कहना था आपको. You can just head over to the Google form in the description. The link is provided, or you can just write your comment down. I have no issues with that. This link will be open forever. So even if you happen upon this, video after a long time, it will be still active, and I'll be watching out for you guys. So in the end, I will just say that subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and the like button if you like this video. Get notified of the latest updates on my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, thank you. Bye.